All right, today I'm going to be getting a quick taste test of the Zest Delites. These are fruit leather. They were on sale, and apparently they got pretty good reviews. So if you guys want to read it, pause the video. There's only 3 ingredients apparently. So if you look at the strawberry one, you got apple, strawberry, and lemon. So there we go. Let's open this up and do a quick taste test. Okay, so that's what they look like. I'm going to go with the peach one. You guys want to read, pause the video. There we go. And if you guys want to see the ingredients, they're right there. There's lemon in this. They feel a little bit thicker than usual. So, okay, so that's what they look like. Check that out. It's pretty nice looking. Wow, these are good. The peach really comes through, and they're full of flavor compared to like some other fruit leathers. These are really good, guys. I've had some, the other one, that's it one. They're good too, but these have really good flavor. All right, guys, see more videos.